Where are we going?
Happy. We will go pasyan.
Hindi niya hanapin si mama niya.
Okay. Oh, dito naman chihuahua.
Where's the Andre?
Andre's not coming. Because he's tired. He's tired.
Yeah.
That's why he's on the car. That's why he's tired.
Yeah.
See, David.
Your mommy is not your tita. Who is Alchi? Who is Alchi?
He's my mama.
She's your
Alfie.
mama. She is your mama, not your tita.
I want my papa. I don't like my papa's chocolate.
Your papa's chocolate.
Yeah.
Sabihin ni mama, nasa siya.
Makikita kaya ito ng mama niya? Alam ba ng mama niya?
Sabihin David Nazareth si Liam. That's why Liam clothes is broken because he's angry because I followed the poet.
Oh, you followed the poet.
Because si Liam Nazareth si David. That's why.
Okay. What did you eat last night?
Cake.
Cake. What kind of cake?
I eat pizza because
Pizza. Okay, pizza.
that's why Mama buy a lot.
Mama bought a lot. Okay.
Yeah. That's why.
Oh no, it's smoke monster.
Grabe yung fumes niyan, Han. My goodness.
Kailangan mo na natin.
Merry Christmas.
Where?
On the Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
You want to go to us?
Yeah, next time. Maybe.
Yeah. There's a tree on the.
There's a Christmas tree.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
right. How was my eat
You forgot at home.
I forgot.
Yeah, you forgot.
I cannot hold because it's too far.
Yeah, it's too far.
I lost my e-bit because my hook is going to my mouth.
Okay. Tita's nose is bleeding. Nag-nose bleed ako dito. You're not feeling dizzy? No?
I'm not feeling dizzy.
Okay, very good.
I'm just waiting for my e-bit. I'm not dizzy.
Okay. Okay.
Look, it's a house.
Yeah, it's a big house.
Did you see your house?
What? My house?
Yeah.
Our house, yeah.
We don't have a house.
We just live.
I have a house out tonight.
Ah, you have a house? Yeah, I know. You have a
Yeah, it's
house.
so beautiful, right?
Wow, your house is so beautiful.
Yeah. It's so beautiful.
Look, that's the airport.
Where
Look,
is it?
there.
Where?
Far. Because they will not allow people from outside.
Yeah.
Pababain natin sila.
Oh, doon. Sa may...
Tapos
You have a soap on your house?
a soap?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have. Why?
I have a soap on up there. You can use a soap.
Okay, thank you.
There. Very nice.
That's the airport. Look. Oo.
Agudo. Oh.
Where?
There. That's WCC.
Okay.
Okay, let's go close. We'll walk until there. There's the entrance already.
Oh,
There. You
iwan
can
mo
see the
dito.
planes here. Yeah.
Where's the airplane there?
So,
I didn't.
red and white. Just looking around. Yeah. Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah. Inside the building, it's bigger airport. Yeah. Very nice.
There.
You wanna see the airplane?
Yeah.
It's inside there. Okay.
Okay, smile. May pera doon ako. Masaya siya, no? Mabuti masaya ka.
Very good. Kasi just here, okay? Not in the road.
Takbo ka din, ate.
Okay nga.
Good job, Sia. Zia, careful. Zia, no, no, no. No, don't go there. Oh, let's go home. Okay. Tara! Tara na! Venice, magja-Jollibee. Where are we going? Jollibee. Zia, careful, Zia.
Wait.
Wow, very good.
Tita, may t-shirt.
Naubos na.
Yes.
So cool.
Up.
This is the gasoline station.
Yes.
It's very hot, Sia. Very hot.
Wait, I see that. It's good. It's so good.
Yeah.
Look at the balloon.
Yeah, it's a balloon.
I
What's the color of the balloon? What's the color?
It's rainbow.
Rainbow?
Yeah. It's a color of rainbow. Look, I see the one. It's like one. It's
Ma'am, yung po-float na lang po.
Ay, thank you.
Po-float na lang.
Oo. Hindi, sa'yo yung burger, no? Kasi daw mga fries. Ay!
Oh my God. Bakit kayo nalaglag niya?